Hey guys, it's Evie. Instead of doing school from home today, I'm going to be taking a day trip up to the northern beaches where my mum grew up. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I still haven't been getting out of the house that much, and today is such a beautiful day that I thought you guys might like to come with me. I've already packed my bags, and I'm all ready to go. So, what are we waiting for? Whoops, almost forgot to bring you guys. Come on camera, let's go. Welcome to Palm Beach. It's pretty beautiful, huh? You know, even though it's winter here in Australia, it feels like it's springtime. And it feels really sad that I have to be sitting inside doing schoolwork, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go get set up.
This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
You know, it feels like I last came up here forever ago, and I've almost forgotten. I had almost forgotten how chill it felt just to be up here. But now I'm going to unpack my bag and get set up at the dining room table, and I'm just going to check what has been making my bag so heavy. Alright, let's unpack. So first, we have my iPad, but I'm probably not going to be using this that much because we have no internet, so I'm going pretty low tech today. It's a just in case. Then, I have some books. Some of them are ones that I need to read, and some of them are ones that I need to review, and I'm hoping that I may get a little bit of time to do a review or two. And then, we have even more books for school. Wow, a lot of this stuff actually is school stuff. And my pencil case, because, well, you know, pens. And Harry, to keep me company and brighten up my workday. Alright, let's get set up. I've just finished mapping out my tasks for today, and it turns out that I can't do some of them, like maths, because they're online. But I've let my teacher know, and she said that is totally fine. So, instead, I'm going to be doing a little bit of homework today, and catch up on the task when I get back home. First on my list is reading, and this term we're doing a reading project, and we get to choose tasks from a grid for a book of our choosing, and I chose The Sisters Grimm 2 by Michael Buckley. So, let's get into it. I've been reading The Sisters Grimm, and for my reading task, I might have gotten a little carried away with just sitting on the couch and just doing a whole lot of reading, but I've made some notes, and today's task is to write a week's worth of diary entries from the perspective of one of the characters. Now, I have chosen Sabrina because she is one of the two main characters, and she has a certain way of looking at things. The other main character, Daphne, is very chill, and things wouldn't be nearly as interesting from her point of view, whereas Sabrina is very feisty, and she can also get very, 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 very grumpy and angry quite easily. But I've just written some notes on what I can do for each day, so I'm about to type them up. I swear, I am not procrastinating. No, really, I'm not. I'm just taking a quick break, but for good reason. When I arrived, I found there was a surprise. I have a neighbor, and she's around the same age as me, and her name is Hope. Her and her mum left me some shoes on the off chance that they would fit. And this pair did. And I love them. I love how they're sparkly, but they're not super girly. They're kind of cool. So I'm going to be wearing these a lot. And in thank you, I'm just making this card for her. So that's what I've been doing. What? What? Oi, Lucy, stop photobombing.
I like photobombing.
Guys, well, now you know my crazy photobombing sister.
It's me, Lucy. Ow. If you want to please help me see what you're doing?
Sure. You want to use this pen? Or do you want to use this pen? Which one? Well, where do you want to do it?
I want to do.
Draw some little stars like that.
I can only do normal.
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
It's a baby shoe.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
No, I think it's a dinosaur.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future.
Magic!
I know, it is like magic. Earlier it was blank, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But look, now there's your cheeky smile.
Evie, it's not magic, it's science.
You know, I'm gonna really miss being up here. It's just so relaxing, and I love how there's a really nice change of scene. It's nice just looking out on the water and the trees and the greenery and the mountains, and so it just makes me really happy. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. Oh my gosh, what a great way to end the day on a high. I just fed a cockatoo. But now the sun is setting, and that means it's time for us to wrap up. I hope that you enjoyed my day up at Palm Beach. That's all from me for now. Evie, out.